Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you cancel eligible mobile food orders and dining reservations directly from your account. Whether your plans change before a meal or you no longer need a reservation, you can manage both from the app subject to each restaurant's cancellation policy. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to cancel a mobile app or a mobile order and a dine-in reservation in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for managing your Disneyland plans with ease. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Begin by opening the app, launch the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account if needed. You are now ready to manage your dining plans. Okay, then cancel a mobile food order. To cancel this or to cancel a mobile order, open your active mobile order, review the order details, and tap cancel order if the option is available, and then confirm the cancellation. Okay, so your order will be canceled if the restaurant hasn't started preparing it yet. Open your dine-in reservations. To manage a table service reservation, tap the menu or this three lines here. Open your plans or future plans, okay, and select the dine-in reservation you would like to manage. Okay, so your reservation details will appear, and cancel the dine-in reservation. Tap to cancel reservation, review the cancellation policy shown on screen, and confirm the cancellation. Okay, so your dine-in reservation will be removed from your plans. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.